Yo, 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 yo. What up, guys? What up? What up? Welcome back. Oh, man. Man, I got some good news. I got some bad news, bro. Good news, I'm still here. I can live to fight another day. Bad news, I blew the accounts, guys. I blew the fucking accounts. I dropped the ball, man. Topstep. I'm going to make a video about this. I'm just waiting to get a haircut and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I got to look presentable when making videos on YouTube so they could get some leeway or get some traction, I should say. Damn, I hate this new bullshit that they got. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's gonna be bullshit. I don't know why it does this, bro. Anyways, let's focus on the charts anyway. All right, so if it's your first time visiting the channel, I just want to say thank you. Let me put up this quick disclaimer for you guys real quick. I have to, due to YouTube's guidelines. All right. Now that we got that out of the way, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and turn on your post notifications because I do go live and give live trade setups. Now, if you were under a rock or you just were out of the country or whatever and you missed the last week or two, man, gold has been moving a lot. We could do this together actually. So we're gonna start at the first day of the month, which is right here. Gold went as low as right here. So this was 4,309 and it ended but it went as high as 5,602 in 1 month, which is fucking crazy, bro. Like it's insane. And if you want to know what that is percentage wise, give me 1 second. That was a, let's just say, a 30% increase in 1 month. Like that's really crazy. Like imagine increasing your bank account by 30% in 1 month, right? Let's say you had $10,000 in your bank account. That bank account just went up to 13,000. That's insane. Then it had one of the most historical drops in history, and it's continuing to drop. I told people this last week. I said, bro, I think it's coming to fill these gaps because me and my friend were talking about this, and gold made gaps like literally every Sunday for the last 3 weeks of January. So price is really just coming to fill those gaps, as we can see right here. Let me make this. This is the daily demand zone, so I don't want y'all to miss out on this one. Make sure. I do like to trade price action. It's the easiest for me. It just makes sense, and I don't like all these different indicators. It makes stuff complicated more than these lines do, right? All right, and I'll make this purple so there's no confusion. Okay, cool. All right, then we're back to this. I'm definitely looking at short. I anticipate gold dropping all the way down here and then liquidating below this a little bit, then continuing up. So I don't I don't necessarily feel as though this week is going to be very volatile. It may be, you never know, but it just after these past couple of days to drop that much, bro, like that's a crazy ass drop. It took a month to go up 30% and it just dropped 30% in 3 days. Like that's insane, bro. That's fucking crazy. Now that's manipulation. It took a month to go up 30%, but it took two days to go down 16.47%. Now, if that's not manipulation, I don't know what is. Um, Aside from that, guys, a lot of things are about to happen in the world. I mean, it's going to be this trading thing might get a little harder. Not so much harder, but it might get a little bit more volatile, being that they're trying to make stocks, trading stocks kind of like trading Forex now, where you could trade it like 24/5 or 24/7. They're trying to tokenize things so you could just send stocks like how you would say it in Bitcoin and stuff like that. Saudi Arabia is opening up their stock market, I think the 6th or the 9th of this month. Um, the dollar, Trump, everyone is saying that Trump is trying to weaken the dollar so it can strengthen our exports. Um, yeah, and then people were dumping their money into gold like crazy, and I'm guessing the big banks saw all of that money being poured into the market, and they said we got to get a piece of that. I'm assuming a lot of newbies bought in these last couple of days. That's why the market pushed up so high, because this was crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days bullish, bro. Now I want to show you something real quick because that happened last year, but the pullback was nowhere near the same as it did this year. So look, 1, 2. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 bullish days, right? Then we had a pullback, but look at this pullback compared to this pullback. Super difference. Also, look at these daily candles. Oh, versus these daily candles, right? Short, nice, manageable little candles. Over here, we got big, ginormous Bitcoin type of candles. And talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin finally hit that 76,000. Damn, bro, that's crazy. Yeah, Bitcoin is out of here. We're gonna have to go to the weekly to gauge Bitcoin because this is crazy. All right, so Bitcoin just made a head and shoulders pattern on the weekly time frame, and it's breaking the neck right now. So yeah, if it closes below this, Bitcoin could go down very far. It damn near might crash. That's crazy, bro. Damn. If this day closes bearish, OMG, bro. I mean, if this week closes bearish, I'm sorry. Now let's look at it on the daily time frame. Daily is basically showing the same thing. Just a cleaner head and shoulders pattern, as you can see right here. So boom, boom, boom. This is the head, boom. This is the second shoulder, bang. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So if it closes below this, oh my goodness. We already closed below on the daily, right? Yep. Man, we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Um, let's go back to gold. Oh, let's talk about silver. Oh my goodness. Silver was up to 121. Last year, what did it start at last year? November 2025. Damn, that's crazy. Man, last year was like a year to invest. Oh my goodness. I think this year is going to be a good year too. All right, so basically, the lowest point in silver last year was right here, right? It reached $28.37 an ounce, or 38 cents. Then it went all the way up to $125 an ounce. Now, the thing about silver versus gold is silver broke through a daily demand zone, right? It closed below a daily demand zone, and it looks like this day is going to be a second bearish day. So this is a daily demand zone. So Yeah, that's crazy. So that may entail this might go lower, or this was just a necessary pullback to push this shit even higher. One of the two is gonna happen, right? Now, gold has always been a safe haven, so I definitely do not think gold is gonna drop crazy, but like I just want to show you this on a 1 hour time frame so we can get everything into perspective. But where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? I do believe gold is coming to fill this gap. And just to show y'all what I was talking about, it literally made gaps every Sunday. So hold on, let me put my sessions back. Oh, all right, so this is Friday. Okay, cool. So as y'all can see, this is the first Sunday of January, big ass gap. So shit, gold might come all the way down here. It could possibly. It never filled these gaps, and it has to fill these gaps at some point in time. This Sunday, big ass gap. This Sunday, big ass gap. This Sunday, big ass gap. And it's only filled the most recent Sunday, which was this one, right? So it's nearing filling the second one, which is this right here, but only time will tell. We shall see. We're currently underneath a 1 hour demand zone. We just broke below this one. So yeah. Man, I wish I would have been able. I won't be able to get another Topstep account until this Thursday. Unfortunately, I don't get paid until Thursday, Friday. But guys, I had a horrible just withdraw into my old trading habits where I over leverage, over trade. The craziest thing was I had set the lockout settings on my account once I got my live account, but for some reason it there was like an extra step that I had to take that I didn't know. I thought all I had to do was hit save and it was good, but fuck around and blew my account, bro. I was so tight. Let me see if I could log in so I could show y'all. Like, I want y'all to see that I actually passed the motherfucker at least. Boom. New private window. And Topstep. The hell is this? Take me to topstep.com. Log in. Bro, I don't know why this shit does not fuck with Safari for some reason. Whatever. I'll show y'all in another video. Anyways, like this red line says I'm looking for sales below this line. We're way below this line. I probably could have caught some shit in the 1 minute, but I'm trying to kind of back up off the 1 minute because the 1 minute is literally what caused me to be impatient and see things that are not there. The 1 minute is beautiful for scalping when the time is right. But when the time is wrong, it's a horrible minute to be on, right? Basically, what I'm saying is when things are going good, it's great to be on, but shit could go left really quick on the 1 minute. So I'll give you an example, right? Let's say this, for example, price is going down, low, equal high, well, low, lower high, lower low, equal high, boom, lower low, boom, boom, boom. Then price break structure, have you thinking that, oh, it's about to reverse. And then boom, it does this, and then same thing, it breaks structure, it's going up, and then like you see all this confusion. But the 1 hour, not only does it force patience, because you have to wait hour by hour for an entry, but you can get so good at this to the point where, like, say this level right here that it just broke through, right? Let's say it's 12 a.m., 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I don't feel like staying up that late. I literally could just put a pending position right here, set my stop loss, and then if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And that's going to be the way I'm going to be trading going forward. Um, a very humbling week last week, bro. And this is crazy in itself. I didn't even peep, but look at this. Gold ended right here. Now it's gapping to the downside. This I'm concerned about this. I don't like this. Market opens and price drops 198 pips within the first, not even first hour, bro. Last time we had price opening up with a gap, it kept going up and it went up a lot. And it gapped for the next three to 4 weeks. So I hope this doesn't mean that gold is about to drop for the next 3 to 4 weeks. I really hope not. If it does, that's cool. You know, we can catch it. It's just a little harder to catch sells than it is buys, right? Buy structure is normally better than sell structure for some reason. Also too, when buys go, they go, bro. That's one thing I do love about trading buys with gold. Like it respects structure so much. But sells are literally all over the place. So yeah, guys, right now, this is my trade setup so far. If this candle closes bearish, being due to the strength of it, I'll go ahead and enter in for a sell. Or, I'll just wait for price to come back and, show me a retest here at this level. But yeah, this is what I'm feeling right now as far as trades go. I'm not trying to force anything. Let me see. I gotta start remembering to go to my channel. YouTube Studio. Let's see if anybody's on with me, man. Content. Bro, I literally every time I do this, I like forget how to no, this is internet. Bro, I forget how to do the freaking chat window. Oh, here we go. Something went wrong with the chat. I think this is it right here on the side. Dang, bro. Damn, bro. I gotta figure out like why my chat window doesn't work. Sorry guys, if y'all trying to chat, just leave a comment. I'll um respond to y'all in the comment section. But yeah, man. Easy day. Nothing too crazy. And like look at this, right? Now if we were trading with my old strategy, this is literally how I would have traded today. So boom. Get rid of this real quick. All right, so price is right here, right? This is literally what I would have done. I would have put an entry right here. Then I would have went 3 pips. 3, 1, 2, 3, and I would have tried to make 10. Would have got stopped out ASAP. The other one is I would have put my stop loss 3 pips above this, but look how big this is. Like pause, like that's a big gap, bro. Like you feel what I'm saying? So, and this is exactly why I'm off the 1 minute, bro. Shit is just diabolical. Like has no structure for real. Prices going down. First time, yeah, bro. I don't recommend anyone. If you want longevity in the market, I don't recommend you trading on the 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna let this play out for a little bit until at least like 7 to see what happens with this candlestick. This shit might fuck around and just end bullish, which would be crazy, but not like too crazy. I still believe that price is gonna come somewhere down here. And worst case scenario, if gold is really on like a war path, it'll come fill this first gap that it made right here. So yeah, yeah. So definitely predicting that it's going to come here at some point. And like I said, worst case scenario, it comes all the way down here. So y'all see these demand zones, go ahead and screenshot them. Got the daily demand zone right here between 45.37 and 46.21. Then I have another zone down here. This is a gap. So bullish, I'll put bullish gap. And then I'll make the lines green. So boom. And if not, price might just be ready to start trending back up. I mean, that is a nice little healthy pullback, 16%. But we'll see, guys. We will see. I'm gonna put this on mute for a second and just let y'all kind of look at the screen, and then we'll see what happens at 7. Okay, I'll be back at 7. Yo, 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 yo. All right, guys, we are back. It's almost 7 o'clock and T minus a minute. So we're just waiting for that to happen. Now, the first entry, my first entry would be at the close of this candle. So let me get my short position ready. Or we could wait for a little pullback. Price is always going to pull back. All right, we could go ahead and put entry number one right here. Stop loss is going to be 15 pips. And we're aiming for a 1 to 3 always, right? Either 1 to 3 or 1 to 5. Yeah, this is a nice strong trade. All right, second trade would definitely be right here. And then, like I said, now if price comes all the way back here, we're gonna have to aim for a little bit more, right? We're gonna have to aim for like at least 75, because that'll be a 1 to 5 right there. Boom, automatically stopped out. That was quick, bro. Damn, that happened too quick. Sheesh. Yeah, the market is still super volatile, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they're gonna get a lot of people out of the market. Damn. It's too much volatility in the market right now. So we would have lost this trade for sure. All right, that's fine. Oops. 15. 3, 0. So we would have lost this one. All right, so now we're just waiting for this guy right here. And this would be our last trade. Now also too, if this candle closes above this line, we definitely gonna be looking for buys. But if I were like trading my actual account, I would be done after this after these first two trades. I'm only taking 2 trades a day on my new trading strategy as well. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the $2,000 divided by 5 and then divide that number by 2. So I'm going to basically be taking 2,000, divide that by 5. I'll just do the math for you real quick. Now the volatility is crazy, bro. So I'm going to take 2,000, divide that by 5. That gives me 400 a day. Then we're going to take the 400 and divide that by 2, which is $200 per trade. That means my 200 divided by 15 will be $13.33 per point or per pip. So basically, I'm gonna be using a one contract, right? That's gonna be like the lowest I'm gonna be using. And then basically, I'm gonna be risking about $150 per trade, which is $300 per day. Or if I add in another trade, it'll be like another 0.1, but I'll put it in a place to where like you see how this is pulling back. let's say that a trade hits my entry point, I'll put it here, and then I'll put my second one 5 pips above. Well, I'll do something like this. I'll put, let's say if price pulls back 5 pips, then I'll have my second entry waiting, and then if it pulls back 10, then I'm out of that one, and the only one I have is the first one. I'll figure it out on how I want to chop it up, but damn, this shit moving. Oh man, yo. All right, y'all. So we're almost at the second entry. Oh, I didn't even peep. Another thing too, this is a demand zone. So we just, hold on 1 second, y'all. That's another thing. We just had an invalidation candle on this 1 hour demand zone. So price could potentially push up a little bit, probably to fill this gap or go higher. Or it's just gonna come and touch this line and then go back down. One of the two. We will see. This is crazy, bro. Like, this is exactly why I don't fuck with the 1 minute, bro. Shit is crazy. It might come right here and then go down. That makes sense. But guys, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna set an alert, and I'm gonna just let this kind of do its thing. And I will be back at 7:59 to see if anything happened, okay? And this is like, this is way better. Like, just imagine the freedom and the overall, like, I don't even know how to explain it, but this is, I've been searching for a trading strategy that fits my personality, and I think this one will suit it way better because when I was on the smaller time frames, oh wow. While I'm over here chatting, look at this shit. This is just juicing up. All right, boom. We about to take our second. Boom. Second entry entered. This is insane, bro. If this shit, yo, bro. Oh yeah, I could tell you right now, this stop loss is probably going to be broken. It's definitely going to be broken. Look at the strength of this candle. If anything, the entry should have been moved up to like right here. But I'm not gonna move it. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Wow, invalidation candle. This means that price is about to shoot back up. Fuck, bro. Damn, bro. I knew for a fact. I just been trading too long. I knew that was gonna happen. All right, so that's really my fault. So I don't even have to wait to 7:59. We are done. Now, you guys can look for buys. If you have more money to risk, or if you didn't take any one of these trades, a buy would be a better trade. But damn, bro, this is a lot of volatility on a Sunday, bro, in the first 2 hours of the market opening. Market opens, drops how much? Drops down 198 pips from market close. Then from the drop, it shoots back up 125 pips. That is a shit ton of volatility, bro, in 2 hours. Yeah, I think I'm staying out of gold. I'm so glad. I was kind of bummed out that I didn't have my I fuck around with a blew my account. It's not even any news today, bro. That's crazy. We got news on Tuesday. Wait, that's Monday. We got news on Monday. PMI. We got news on Tuesday. We got news on Wednesday. Okay, so this is a news-filled week. Unemployment claims. Okay, first week of the month is newsed out. Then what we got next week? Next week probably gonna be slow. Oh no, CPI next week. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's about to go down, bro. Damn, I wonder what's gonna happen. I feel like something big is about to happen. It normally happens around between February to April. So just think about it historically. Everything that has transpired has been something about COVID, trade wars, potential wars, all types of shit has been going on. Yo, this is crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. In 2 hours to go all the way down and then completely engulf my candle is crazy. This is crazy. Gold is chopping niggas right now. Literally. All right, y'all. Well, that is it. Those are my two entries. I would have definitely took both of these entries. I'm not gonna lie. I'm glad this happened. This is showing me discipline, and this is showing me like I should wait and get more confirmation before taking that type of trade setup. So that's a good thing. But all right, y'all. Deuces.